Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have something very cool to share with you. I have gone through all of my craft supplies and I'm working on a destash. What does that mean for you? That means that I'm clearing out tons of product. So far, I've collected 14 mystery bags. These mystery bags will have brand new and used stamps and dies, and they're variously priced. But just for example, this one, mystery bag number 13, has a $210 value, and you'll get it for $100. Now, what's inside the mystery bags are a mystery. I'm going to show you a little kind of sneak peek very quickly so that you get an idea of what you're getting. This mystery bag is valued at $145 for $65. Basically, what I'm doing is clearing out my craft room so that I can, number one, buy a new camera. I think that I need a better camera because the one I have sometimes doesn't give it the clearest pictures. So that's my goal. So I need to destash some stuff to make some money to be able to continue to fund my channel. So that's the purpose of this. Plus, I have so much stuff that I've never used, and I'd like to kind of pass it along. Now, none of this stuff has been given to me. I've paid full price, full retail price. Usually, I pay US dollars. I'm a Canadian, so all of these I've paid full US dollar prices for, and I'm going to sell them for discounted price, and this is Canadian dollars. So for shipping, I'll ship to US and in Canada. You will have to pay for the shipping, just full disclaimer there. But let's go quickly. I'm just going to show you a sneak peek. Here is an example of what you might get in this particular pack. There are 6 stamp sets, and all of them have the coordinating dies. These 6 stamp sets are all Gina K Designs stamps and die bundles. Okay? And then this one, we have May Made It stamps and Simon Says stamps and dies. So very quickly, there's a whole bunch of some of them are brand new, never been used. Okay, so that's all you're going to get for the sneak peek. None of this stuff is garbage. Everything is full sets. Some of them have maybe one stamp that I've used. The rest are brand new. Some of them are brand new and never been used. The sale is limited quantities only. I won't do any holds. First come, first serve. They're all up on my website now, numbered, and you get a short description. Like, for example, this says surprise bag number 7 with the brand and what's inside, stamps and dies, with a $145 value for $65. So they'll all have a similar sort of description. If you're a Gina K lover, you want to check this out. There's also one very special Christmas bundle with over $400 worth of stamps and dies. You want to check it out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So head on over to my website. I'll leave the sale section in the description box down below, and hopefully you can find something that piques your interest and get them while they're still available. All right, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me. I appreciate the support as always. Like I said, I'm looking to buy a new camera, so this is really for you, so that you can see better quality videos and better quality content that I'd like to put out to you. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.